All right, everybody, we're back. Got the Escalade coming along. And now it's time to put the grill and the bumper all back on. Now, I cheated because you don't want to see me bending over, putting all this stuff back together, but there's the old bumper. Here's the new bumper, new grill. We already transferred everything over. Now, I'm hoping this was as easy as I said it was going to be when we started on it. I have another video too, I've been starting to detail it a lot more. Get the fender looking pretty good. It's always hard with black. So, we'll give you guys the same angle as last time. Let's see how easy this goes back together. Now, I got some more bolts and everything we need from GM for this. It's a 7mm. These are all 10. Cleaned the engine bay up too, best I could. Again, it's a dusty old Texas truck. Makes it a little harder to do it. Got the bolts that came off, some new bolts if we need them, or when we need them, rather. Set those up there. Put new pigtails on, or they're actually in the bumper assembly, so. See if I can do this without scratching any of the new paint. I'm hoping that can just sit like that for a second. Let's plug these back in. There's one. Oh, you know what? We gotta replace that piece too. I got it right there. Should be a 10mm. Voila. Got new assembly, new hardware, so that'll go into the bumper there. Perfect. Got our new mounting hardware on there. Let's plug this one in. Start getting that lined up. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good for not trying too hard there, huh? As my dad would say. Let's get a couple of these started. We'll need to probably massage it a little bit, you know, get it to line up the right way. There's part of the problem. I don't really want to clip that in just yet until we're sure we got everything. Tighten a few of those. Part of that is probably some of this, again, just kind of being the aftermarket bumper. It's not going to be 100% perfect, but we'll tweak that a little bit later. The bolt out. Well, all right, we're going to button up a few more bolts down low and kind of massage it a little bit best we can, but I think we'll be pretty good once she's all done.